Well, it's Monday afternoon at 4:30. It's wash night, but it's also unload night. We didn't unload Saturday night when we got home. We were all beat and just parked it there and left it. Chances of severe storms this evening, so it could be a fun afternoon of washing. Well, we're stripped down and ready to shove out to wash. Well, we avoided the rain. Looks like it may have went south of us. Not bad, 2.5 hours. Unload, put the hauler away, blow the trailer out. Stripped her down. Got it all washed, cleaned up, shoved back in, greased, blow dried. Big thank you. Big thank you to Jonah for coming out and helping us tonight. He's trying to learn, so we're glad to have the extra help, because usually it's just me and Doug here on Monday nights, so
definitely a bonus.
We will be back here tomorrow night to start changing things, searching to get this car better. Entertainment for the night. Yeah. This comes about every other week and picks up all the cardboard bales from the store. Straightening body panels.
Tell you what, Jason, go ahead and flip it over.
So it looks pretty good.
Pretty good to me.
Yeah. Making progress. Got our oil pressure gauge changed. That's the bad one. Sometimes it would read 10 pounds, sometimes it'd read 80. She's going back together.
I'm all the way, like I feel like I'm getting something.
When my wife told me she was out on a plane, I was like, say what?
Straightening. test our new box. Luce! Lucy! Lucy! Wild Bill!
Hey,
What's going on?
guys, how are you?
What you doing, Luce? Huh?
What's up, Bill? Hey. You good? Here we go. She's got power.
Green
Get that
light
green
on?
light. Get that green light.
Well, it made it longer than 5 seconds at least.
Yeah.
That's a plus.
Do we want to run it?
Huh?
Do we want to run that?
Nicholas's tire grooving machine.
Any one of them for late models.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Them tire demons.
Telling me about having a fucking kid. Hey, Bill, how you doing? You can see it.
Done?
Did his hair?
Just them
Kept
two.
going. He said that was closest to death he came.
Well, she's all put back together. Put some shocks on it, some wheels, and it's ready to go in the box. Not a bad 2 nights. So that being said, the plans are for this weekend, Brownstown Speedway, the Brownstown Bull Ring, 2,000 to win on Friday night. Highland Speedway for the Bi-State Battle Series on Saturday night. But as you can see, the weather forecast is not looking too promising for racing anywhere around here this weekend. So we'll keep you updated on the website and Facebook of what's going on. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race card down here in the lower right hand corner. Just make sure you share with your friends. Nicholas is going to finish up some tires and I am going home.